As the second anniversary of Russia's invasion of Ukraine approaches, a top diplomatic advisor to President Volodymyr Zelensky has revealed that Ukraine has extended an invitation to Chinese President Xi Jinping to participate in a planned peace summit of world leaders in Switzerland. Despite China's close ties with Russia and its avoidance of direct criticism towards the nation or invasion, it has expressed the importance of respecting the sovereignty and territorial integrity of all nations. China has also offered to mediate in the conflict, maintaining a nuanced stance on the ongoing crisis. In an interview this week, Igor Zhukov, a top diplomatic advisor to President Volodymyr Zelensky, affirmed Ukraine's definitive invitation to China for the peace summit. He stated, "We are inviting China to participate in the summit at the highest level, at the level of the President of the People's Republic of China." Zhukov emphasized the significance of China's participation, expressing Ukraine's active efforts to engage with Chinese counterparts and enlist global partners in conveying the importance of China's involvement in the summit. In a significant move, Chinese President Xi Jinping and Russian President Vladimir Putin proclaimed an unwavering no-limits partnership in Beijing merely 3 weeks before Russia invaded Ukraine on February 24, 2022. Subsequently, China has witnessed a substantial surge in its imports of Russian energy. President Putin has justified the invasion, citing the need to safeguard Russia's security, while Kyiv and Western nations contend that it constitutes an unprovoked war of aggression and a territorial annexation. Responding to President Zelensky's request, neutral Switzerland has agreed to host the Ukraine Peace Summit. However, the specific date and venue remain pending. Igor Zhukov, a top diplomatic advisor, confirmed that terms are actively working on finalizing the details for this crucial diplomatic gathering.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.